Welcome to the informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. Jay here with you guys today presenting the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets during the past week. Welcome in, guys. Before you do anything else, if you're not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to stay tuned for all our new videos if you enjoy this type of content. Like crypto climate, educational videos, giveaways, we have it on this channel. So make sure you guys are subscribed for quality content. And also, guys, free educational playlists. It can't get any better than that. In the link description below, dozens of videos where you can learn anything and everything about cryptocurrency. So again, guys, let's start immediately with the fear and greed index. Currently, we're at around 30, so that's a fear level. Yesterday, we were at 31, fear as well. But just last week, we were at extreme fear at level 20. So keep that in mind. That 20 continues to be pivotal support. I do see here that we actually pumped from 20 all the way up towards that 34 level, and we're basically just stuck here in this range. There's a lot of events coming up this week. Let's see how the charts reflects, Bitcoin's price action after the Fed meeting and things of that nature. A big decision coming in the next couple of days. So we're going to review that, in just a bit. But before that, let's get, immediately into the charts. We see that Bitcoin's current price is around $20,440. Guys, we do see this pump here above the $19,550 level last week with back-to-back extremely bullish $1,000 candles towards the upside, but now we've just been consolidating up here. We have 3 consecutive bearish red negative candles per se on the daily chart currently. In today's candle, we do see that sell wick here, and the candle's just trying to hold on to that, green trend line here, where it's either going to have to make a decision to pump back up to retest the resistance at around 20,786, or we're going to have to, or it might, dump back down, break this trend line here and come back down to $19,550, which continues to be that, pivotal support level. So we're gonna have to wait and see what Bitcoin's gonna decide to do. On a weekly note, we do see here that we're currently, still below the 200-week moving average. So at a macro level, we're still bearish, but we had back-to-back bullish green positive candles on the weekly for Bitcoin. Right now, we're currently with this candle, not a lot of volatility per se. An indecision candle up until now, where we have, the bottom part of the wick is equal to the top part of the wick, in distance, in a sense, per se, in length. So, the body is about at an equal distance from the top to the bottom part. So again, indecision right now. We have to wait and see. That $20,755 level continues to be resistance on the weekly. As we can see here, we're below, but again, we're still above that $19,550 level. So we're just ranging in between now. Not too many fireworks, not too much volatility on the weekly for now. So, next week we'll make sure to, see how this candle closes and keep you guys up to date. On the Dixie, the DXY, the dollar index, currently, we had a fake out here similar to the one we had back here. If we can draw this, for you guys, we had a fake out, a couple of candles below, shot straight back up. Here it seems that we currently had a fake out below the blue trend line, and now we shot right back up. This is the fourth, we're working on the 4th consecutive bullish candle for the DXY here. We came right back down to retest on today's daily candle, that support at that blue trend line here, to see if we can continue the uptrend. The $110.19 support level has held, so we're just waiting to see that again tomorrow and the day after the Fed is going to make a decision. Usually these type of events have an effect on the Dixie, so we're gonna have to stay tuned to see if we're gonna come right back up to retest the top of this trend line here, and then eventually the 114.19 key pivotal resistance level, or we're gonna try and break these key levels towards the downside. So stay tuned. Again, guys, today's episode is all about, in a sense, the Fed's big decision. In 19 hours and 40 minutes, the next FOMC meeting is gonna take place, where everyone expects a 75 point rate hike, percentage wise. So again, guys, we're gonna have to wait and see. what's gonna happen. Usually these things, again, they have an impact, they affect the markets and things of that nature, but the charts at the end of the day, they're gonna say it all. They're gonna include these type of events and things of that nature within the price action. So that's why we always do TA. But it's also good to, at a macro level, just stay tuned on point of things that are going on, fundamental events that might impact the price as well. So moving on, we got the top 5 coins in the world. Let's analyze their performance for the past week. So we start with Bitcoin, BTC, the king, currently at around $20,444, up 1.60%. Number 2, Ethereum at around $1,571, up 7.33%. Number 3, we have BNB, currently at around $324, up 13.54%. And then we have number 4, XRP, currently at around 46 cents, up 1.11%. And then we have a new top 5 right here. The Doge is back, currently at around 14 cents, up 123% in a bear market. More than doubled its price in the past week in just under 7 days. Amazing things in this market. And then Cardano, it's sad, Cardano's out of the top 5, but hopefully we'll see it back one day. Now let's move on to the top 5 best performing assets for the past week. Dogecoin, we already covered. Amazing run in the last 7 days. Number 2, we have Osmosis, currently at around $1.55, up 27.31%. Number 3, Clayton, currently at around 0.25, that's about a quarter, up 26.29%. Number 4, we have Shiba Inu trying to catch up and compete with Doge. It's around, that thing is free, man, essentially. That's, how many places? Let's leave it at under a penny, way under a penny. It's currently up 25.66%. And then number 5, to round it off, we have Mina, currently at around 67 cents, up 20.25%. And then we have the top 5 worst performing assets during the past week. Currently, we see here that we have Casper at around 4 cents, down 16.18%. Number 2, Lido DAO, currently at around $1.48, down 10.42%. Number 3, we have Kava at around $1, and 42 cents, down 7.83%. Number 4, we have Quantify Your Life, currently at around $162, down 7.69%. Then we have number 5, to round it off, Huobi token at around $8.50, down 7.65% for the week. Guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, make sure you guys like this video. Check our description down below to find the link to our website where you can have access to tools and resources, our social networks, exchanges, anything you would need on your journey with cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to swing by our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, if you haven't done so already, make sure you guys click on the subscription button here, click on the notification bell to stay tuned for our brand new, fresh off the press videos. You guys do not want to miss that. They just come fresh off the press, guys. You definitely have to enjoy that content. And again, guys, if you haven't done so already, check out our Twitter, click that follow button. We would appreciate that support if you enjoy the content. Like this video. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Have a good one.